Far too many people chase the perfect raw diet, and that's exactly why so many may struggle. Welcome to a video to Recalibrate with Nate. My name is Nate, and if you're new here, welcome. This is a space where we explore how small shifts create new patterns, and new patterns create new lives. Now, I'm not here to convert you or hand you another rule book. I'm just here to share what actually helped me feel better in my body, my mind, and honestly, better in my whole life. Well, let's dig into this. Perfection creates pressure, not progress. And listen, I see this all the time. Someone gets excited about going raw, and within 48 hours, they're buried in food combining charts, forbidden food lists, macro spreadsheets, and 37 rules that contradict each other, right? And suddenly, eating becomes this crazy math problem instead of nourishment. Now, many of us were raised to think health has to be complicated, and that if we're not doing it perfectly, we're doing it wrong. That's conditioning. That's old programming. That's possibly trauma talking. Perfection adds pressure, and pressure kills joy. And when food stops being joyful, consistency disappears. Now, if you want simple ideas that keep things consistent and enjoyable, listen, I put all our best recipes into our books. They're linked below, and they exist to make this lifestyle easier, not heavier. Now, what's interesting is that our bodies respond to patterns, not perfect days. So one of the biggest shifts I ever made was realizing your body doesn't care about your perfect day. It cares about your regular day, not your gourmet day, not your Instagram day, not your I had time to prep day, just your average Tuesday. You don't need a flawless, raw diet. You just need rhythm. A daily smoothie, some fresh fruit, a big salad, drink some water, stay hydrated, living foods, micronutrients your body recognizes. That's where the transformation happens, in the simple repetitions. Your gut microbiome thrives on repeated exposure. Your energy stabilizes through daily nourishment. Your digestion improves through patterns, not punishment. Now, if you want help building those patterns, our Sprouts, Krauts, and Microgreens course is a fantastic place to start. Fresh, living foods grown right in your kitchen. That's consistent nutrition you can rely on. And more often than not, perfection turns into a trap. Perfection is just another form of sabotage. I slipped up, so I'll start Monday. I wasn't perfect, so I blew it. I messed up once, so why bother? Right? That's not you talking. That's conditioning. That's the old frequency pulling you back. Imperfection is part of the process. Consistency is what carries you forward. Now, I've coached people who know every rule about raw, but can't stay consistent for 2 weeks. And I've seen imperfect people thrive because they show up daily with a smoothie and a salad. And consistency wins every time because it creates momentum. And momentum rewrites your biology. Now, if you want consistency to feel easier, not forced, our school community is a place where we support each other. We go live at least twice a month with kitchen demos, Q&As, and you actually get to feel part of something. The link's below if you want to explore it. And this isn't about being a perfect raw vegan. I'm not here to tell you raw is the only way to live, but I am here to tell you that adding more raw and living foods to your life consistently will change the way you feel. This isn't about restriction. This isn't about rules. It's simply about tuning your system to a different frequency. You deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve clarity, energy, confidence, and that momentum. You don't need perfection. You just need that rhythm. And if you want tools to make that rhythm easier, our meal planning app gives you raw meal ideas, scheduling, shopping lists, and everything you need to stay consistent. We built it to take the stress out of the equation. Even our Amazon storefront has the gear we actually use. So If you're growing sprouts or wanting to simplify your kitchen setup, it's all there. Remember, small shifts create new patterns. New patterns create new lives. You take the pressure off yourself. Make space for growth. Let consistency, not perfection, carry you forward. Now, if this gave you something to think about, like, share, and subscribe. It helps this message reach the right people. And if you want support, recipes, community, or the gear to make this lifestyle feel doable, everything Listen I offer is linked below. Explore whatever calls to you. No pressure. It's just an invitation. Now, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next one. Love ya.